So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Sashi YouTube channel. And today we're gonna make McCain's like fries at home. So first take one potato cut in fry shape, then boil for 2 minutes. Then take ingredients: 1 packet Maggi masala, 2 pinch red chili powder, salt as per taste, half teaspoon cornstarch, and half teaspoon amchur. Then add your all spices in it. Mix well. Add your boiled fries. Mix them all. Nicely mixed it. Then serve in a plate like this. Wrap with silver foil. Put it in the freezer for about 4 to 6 hours. You can also make it for overnight. Then deep fry it. Fry it nicely. Fry it on low to medium flame. Okay, and fry it twice for crispiness. You can see I fried twice in it. When you fry it twice, it get more crispy. You can see their color, their texture, their taste, everything is so much good when you make it like this. It was amazing recipe. You can try it at your home. Enjoy. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.